This is actually the first time I've been to the EROC conference global program here in Dubai. And today we had an amazing session for facial rejuvenation where I gave a keynote lecture in extended deep plane facelift, structural neck contouring, and facial nerve safety for these procedures.
I'm very grateful to be invited to the EROC in its 15th edition. I've been participating in this meeting for a long time, like for the last 7 or 8 years. And I'm really honored to co-chair the facial rejuvenation track.
I've been contributing today to the facial plastic session on presentation on face and neck lifting, the most advanced extended deep plane, and also about blepharoplasty, upper and lower blepharoplasty, and about all the techniques in facial plastic surgery and the most advanced technique in facial plastic surgery.
The prestigious names, the level of case discussion, the audience engagement, it all exceeded my expectations. I was very honored to help in putting the scientific program.
We started for the first time this facial aesthetic chapter. We had great panel discussions, great presentations about the current techniques of facial aesthetics, such as deep plane facelift, periorbital rejuvenation, fat grafting, etc., and how to achieve a natural result for our patients.
It was a great honor to be here at EROC 2026. My talk was about facelift. The EROC Facial Rejuvenation Track is a great opportunity to share experiences, learn from everyone, and connect.
We are happy that we have met amazing and prestigious names from all around the world, from USA, from Egypt, to share their expertise, and we've learned a lot in this EROC.
It is very useful and beneficial for all aesthetic physicians and aesthetic surgeons.
This conference will be a huge landmark in terms of improving the cosmetic surgery practice.